Hey friends, if the 7-zip software is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So first of all, it is important to download the correct 7-zip software because there are a lot of fakes. So I will search for it on the browser and the main website is 7-zip.org. Make sure that you are downloading it from the correct website and you're downloading the correct version because they have the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version. You should make sure that the version that you download is compatible with your computer. So click on download and then click on open and wait for it to load. Okay. Once it does, click on install and let it install on your system and then click on close. Now let's see if this works on my computer. So I will open some folder, this one, right click on it and then select show more options. I'll find 7-zip here. I'll click on add to archive and here's where people make the mistake. They will simply click on OK and it will archive it in the 7Z format, which is the default format. Now, if that is what you want, it's a different thing. But ideally, people prefer to zip it in the zip file format and then you can click on OK. So this is the correct way to do it. Okay, and if this doesn't work, then you can do one thing. You can search for 7-zip file manager in the Windows search bar. You can uninstall it. Okay, click on these three dots, uninstall it, and uninstall it completely, and then reinstall it on your computer. Just like we did it from the original website to make sure that you have the correct version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.